Hello guys, I'm practicing one word substitution. First question: a person who shows people their seats. User. USHER. A statement open to more than one interpretation. Ambiguous. Sandikth. A speech expressing one's thoughts aloud in oneself. Soliloquy. People who work together at the same place. Colleagues. To give one's authority to another. Delegate. One who ride horses in races. Jockey. Introduction section of a itinerary work. Introductory section of literary work. Prologue. A fictitious name used by an author. Pseudonym. One who studies God and religion. Theologian. Someone taken a prisoner to fulfill demands. Hostage. Next. Extreme mental or physical suffering, agony, pida. Be more successful than someone. Outdo. A place where games are played, casino. An exact or a very close copy of something, replica. Something done because one wants to, not by force, voluntary. वन हु इज easily deceived, जिसको आराम से धोखा दिया जा सकता है, gullible. वन हु changes side, जो साइड बदलता है, turncoat. ए पर्सन विद द सेम नेम एज ऑथर, namesake, समान नेम वाला. स्टडी ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट, इकोलॉजी. ए पर्सन हु इज unduly anxious about his या her health, valetudinarian. A person who is trained for traveling into space, astronaut. The dates when days and nights are equal length, equinox. Harass or discordant sound, cacophony. Arrangement of events according to the dates of occurrence, chronology. A large bedroom of a number of people in an institution, dormitory. A person of evil reputation, notorious. A person who believes everything easily, credulous. A deceased holy person's remains or belongings kept for reverence, relic. To go around an area to keep a watch, patrolling. Holding an office without receiving a pay, honorary. In nature, reserves for birds or animals, sanctuary. A particular form of a language which is peculiar to specific region. ऐसी कोई लैंग्वेज जो पेक्यूलियर हो उसको कहते हैं डायलैक्ट. गवर्नमेंट रन बाय स्मॉल ग्रुप, ओलिगर्ची. A factual written account of important or historical events in the order of their occurrence, chronicle. A young person trending to commit crime, particularly minor crime, delinquent. To cross streets on foot carelessly, jaywalk. Traveling under a name other than one's own, incognito. Downfall that satisfies natural justice, nemesis. Irresistible impulse, kleptomania, चोरी करने की आदत. To separate husk from the grain, winnow. Next. A person who eats the flesh of other human being, cannibal. Place where two or more rivers meet, confluence. The date on which an event took place in a previous year, anniversary. A set of rooms forming one residence in a building, apartment. Two lengths of rope, wood or metal with cross pieces used for climbing up and down walls, ladder. A person who is absolutely necessary for someone or something, indispensable. Medical doctors who specialize in diagnosing disease using X-ray, CT scan and ultrasound. Radiologist. Something of little value or importance. Trivial, तुच्छ. Person who robs ships का चुराते हैं जो लोग, pirates. A slowly moving mass or river of ice, glacier. The organic component of soil formed by the decomposition of leaves and other plant material, humus. A ruler with complete power over a country, dictator. A state of being married to one person at a time, monogamy. A word or law no longer in use, obsolete. Safe to drink, potable. A partner in crime, accomplice. A group of lions, pride. A group of stars that make a pattern, constellation. One who does not care for art or literature, Philistine. A government by the nobles, nobles की government, aristocracy. An imaginary ideal society, utopia. A very large, impressive residence, mansion. A place where gambling games are played, casino. A doctor who treats skin disease, dermatologist. A close-fitted cover for a sword, sheath, mayon. The science concerned with the properties of sound, acoustic, profane talk, blasphemy, an extreme fear of darkness, nyctophobia, state governed by old people, gerontocracy, a statement which cannot be contradicted, irrefutable, a group of cattles, herd, obsessive desire to lose weight by refusing to eat, anorexia, not supporting any side in an argument, impartial, act of giving up the throne, abdication, a group of people traveling together, especially in a desert, karma, a fast moving stream of water, torrent, a detailed list of things in a palace, inventory, a glass container in which fish can be kept, aquarium. Thanks.